Yes, so a side chick has been embarrassed by her sugar daddy as he publicly collected back the car he bought for her. Okay guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odatij's TV. If you are new here, haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon. I'll give you guys the details shortly after this particular break. Yeah, so a dramatic scene was created when a sugar daddy insisted on collecting his car from his alleged side chick in a full glare of the public. A video making rounds on social media shows an account of the moment this man jumped onto a car he has bought for his side chick and requested for the keys after he vehemently ordered for the car in motion to stop. The scene that was created escalated when the man decided to use brutal force to drag this poor side chick out of the car. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment or opinion on this particular issue in the comment section below.
It's not right. Exact one bam so. It's not right. Exact one bam so.